Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the ink is truly waterproof, pigment-based, or archival. Once confirmed, prepare your workspace with blotting paper, gloves, and good light so spills won't ruin your surface. Begin by testing a small stroke on scrap paper to check flow and drying time. If using a bottle, shake gently and prime the nib or pen tip. If using cartridges, purge air by drawing a few lines. This first action avoids bleed and sets consistent coverage for the rest of the process. You now move into controlled application. Apply the waterproof ink in thin, deliberate layers so pigments settle evenly. Make sure to let each layer dry completely. Once dry, subsequent layers adhere better and resist feathering. Use the same hand angle and consistent pressure to maintain uniform lines and avoid pooling at stroke ends. If you see excess, blot gently rather than rub. Also, make sure to protect the piece from water and humidity until the ink is fully cured to prevent smearing. You finish by allowing the ink to fully cure. Follow manufacturer timing, commonly 24 to 72 hours, so the waterproof properties develop. Once cured, you can optionally seal the work with a compatible clear spray or varnish to increase durability. Make sure the sealer is compatible to avoid lifting the ink. If smudging occurs before cure, stop and let it dry. If minor defects remain after curing, you can carefully correct with a fine brush and compatible solvent, but test that solvent on scrap.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.